How to open the YouTube audio library in your mobile. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can open the YouTube audio library in your mobile. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and open up your YouTube application, and from here you have to go in the profile. Now once you are in here in the profile, there is the gear icon in the top right corner. You have to click on it, and from here you have to go in the settings, and you can also go from the help and the feedback. Now from here you just have to go in the search help, and here you have to search for the audio library. Now once you are in here you have to click on this first link of the use music and the sound effects from the audio library, and after that you just have to go back and you have to go into your Chrome or any browser that you are using, and here you have to simply open the new tab. Now from here you have to search for the audio.youtube.com. Now once you are in here you have to click on this first link of the studioyoutube.com. Now once you are in the studio, here you just have to click on this audio icon and you are in the audio library. Now here you can open any of the audio that you want to use in your YouTube. So this is how you can open the YouTube audio library in your mobile. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.